Hey, Tyler here with Quality Water Treatment. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the SoftPro Green Reverse Osmosis water system with an advanced alkalizing filter to see if it's the right solution for your needs. The SoftPro Green is one of the best reverse osmosis systems that you can find on the market. It is a standalone system that goes under the kitchen sink in your home, RV, or wherever you may want high quality, safe drinking water. This RO system uses a 5-stage filtration design that will remove up to 96% of contaminants found in the residential tap water. The SoftPro RO will remove over 1,000 known contaminants, which include chlorine, lead, nitrates, chromium, arsenic, toxic heavy metals, organic impurities, petroleum products, fluoride, and viruses. Another must-have. Well, nobody wants to drink acidic water. The advanced alkalizing filter in the SoftPro neutralizes the acidity in your water to give you safe, clean, fresh, healthy alkalized water. No need to go to the grocery store to buy expensive high pH water. You'll have it at your home. If you have a lot of mouths at your home or enjoy throwing parties, no worries. This system will filter up to 75 gallons per day to provide you, your family, and guests with safe, clean drinking water. We found that the SoftPro Green is the highest efficiency rated reverse osmosis system that we've found. What does that mean to you? It means that it only wastes around 1 gallon of water for every gallon that it makes compared to other systems which can waste up to 4 gallons of water. This not only makes it better for the environment, but also helps you cut down on the cost to operate the system. This RO is very easy to install. All the fittings for the system are quick connect fittings. You simply push in the parts and they will easily lock into place, or you can always call a handyman or a friend to help you install it. The SoftPro Green also comes with a long reach chrome faucet with a chrome handle. SoftPro also offers 25 faucet styles and colors included for free. So if you have some Martha Stewart in you, you too can become a home decor designer. Choose your faucet style and color for free. Only Quality Water Treatment provides multiple faucet styles and color choices with the SoftPro Green RO filter system. The SoftPro Green Reverse Osmosis system has received great reviews and is currently a customer favorite. It comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty compared to almost all the other systems that only have a 1-year warranty. It's just another reason why customers love it. We hope this review has helped you narrow down which reverse osmosis system is the best for your needs. If you need even more details, be sure to check out our full in-depth review in the description below. If you have any questions, our team of water treatment consultants are here to help you. Feel free to connect with us by chat, email, or just give us a call. Our goal is to help you and your family live healthier and happier lives by providing accurate information on quality water treatment solutions. Wishing you and everyone an amazing day.